फैन भी ऑफ करना पड़ता है क्या? मान उड़ रहा है।
Hi you all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back नहीं बोल सकती because this is my first video and for those of you who know me, you must know कि मैं अभी बहुत बीमार लग रही हूँ. I usually don't look like this. Actually, I had a lot of viral fever. पूरा हफ्ता तो मैं बीमार ही रही हूँ and now it's gone finally, but I'm left with a lot of cold and these big bold dark circles and weakness also. But ठीक है, I wanted to create some content. I feel a lot better today. So I got up and I wanted to film something. So this is my first video on YouTube and first as in to come and talk with all of you guys. You would get to know me also. So my name is Rachel John and I am a full-time PhD. I am a research scholar. But I love creating fashion videos, I love doing fashion hacks, and I'm into that kind of stuff, where you can relate with me. I do relatable fashion hacks and your day-to-day fashion tips and tricks. I also run an Instagram page with the name of Caramel Beauty, and the response there, it's not been much of a time of me opening the channel, but you guys have shown me so much love and it's so good to see that whatever hard work you're doing after your job, your 9 to 5 job, that is actually getting paid off and people are actually liking your stuff, which gave me a lot of courage to sit down despite of me being ill. It took me a lot of strength to get up from the bed and it took me a lot of effort to sit and film today, but the response is great. You guys, I love you so much. I love my audience, I love my subscribers. We have a very small family right now, but I love you all like anything. So yeah, from now on I'll try to bring in a lot of videos for you. I had been doing shorts, but then यार shorts की बात बहुत अलग है और ये talk through वाला video is very different to do. It took me a lot of courage to come here. Being a newbie, it took me so much courage to come and sit in front of the camera and talk with all of you. I might not do it right also in the first video. I highly apologize, if there is some issue with the quality or my voice or any disturbance in the voice behind. I'm at my home. I really don't know a lot of stuff right now. I have learned many things. चलो अभी इतना blabber नहीं करते हैं. Let's get into the first video and whenever I put another video, I'll keep you tagged along with my life and what I do and everything. So let's begin with the first video. Okay जी, so I told you that I've been ill for about a week now. एंड मैंने अपना फेस शेव नहीं किया या ठीक से खाना तो खाया नहीं गया मुझसे. फेस शेव मैं क्या ही करती. सो आई यूजुअली शेव वंस इन अ वीक बिकॉज दैट इज़ आई डो नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फेशियल हेयर बट ये पीच फज़ भी मुझे बहुत बॉदर करने लग जाता है कभी कभी. तो आई वॉन्ट टू टेक इट ऑफ. और प्लस इस पर अगर आप कोई भी मेकअप करते हो तो इट सिट्स ऑन रियली वेल ऑन योर क्लीन कैनवस फेस. तो इसलिए आई एक्चुअली सजेस्ट you guys to shave your face once in a while, maybe in 2 weeks if not in a week, because क्या होता है ना कि ये स्किन पे ना ये डेड स्किन बहुत जल्दी आने लग जाती है एंड अगर डेड स्किन के साथ साथ वो पीच फज मिलके इट बिकम्स रियली बैड एंड इफ़ यू पुट ऑन मेकअप उसके ऊपर से तो अननेसेसरीली वो केकी लगेगा. आप उस पर कुछ भी ट्रिक लगा लो, कोई भी प्राइमर लगा लो, कुछ भी लगा लो, वो अननेसेसरीली केकी लगेगा. तो टू अवॉइड दैट आई सजेस्ट यू शेव योर फेस. और टाइटल में मैंने डाला है कि अवॉइड रेजर बर्न्स. नाउ स्टार्टिंग में जब मैं शेव करती थी, इट्स बीन लाइक अ ईयर और सो जब मैंने शेव करना शुरू किया एंड पहले मैं करती थी, माई स्किन इज़ सो सेंसिटिव टू दीज रेजर्स एंड ब्लेड्स एंड आई डोंट डू मच ऑन माई स्किन. लेकिन पहले शेव करती थी तो क्या यहाँ बम्प हो रहा है, यहाँ बम्प हो रहा है एंड इस एरिया में तो बहुत ज़्यादा बम्प होने लग जाता था. तो अब वही है ना, व्हेन यू डू तो आपको समझ में आ जाता है व्हाट यू बीन डूइंग रॉन्ग. तो ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए मैंने सोचा कि एक ये इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो है फॉर ऑल माई गर्ल्स हु हैव एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड शेविंग देयर फेसेस राइट नाउ एंड उनके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव बीन शेविंग योर फेस रॉन्ग देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. सो टू बिगिन विद, कभी भी ड्राई फेस पे शेव नहीं करना है. My skin is oily as hell. मतलब you can literally fry pakoras in my skin's oil, but मैं इस पे भी ड्राई शेव नहीं करती हूँ। अननेसेसरीली वो बम्प आएगा, आपको रैशेस हो जाएंगे, इचिनेस, नो नो नो, कभी भी आपको ड्राई स्किन पे शेव नहीं करना है। फर्स्ट क्लीन योर फेस विद अ माइल्ड क्लेंजर, उसके बाद पैट इट ड्राई। लाइक आई हैव क्लेंस्ड माई फेस एंड इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ड्राई राइट नाउ। ऐसे एयर ड्राई कर लिया, इट्स ड्राई। नाउ what I put before shaving my face. So I've got this bamboo gel with me, and this is the Damyang bamboo 99% fresh soothing gel, and this is from the Face Shop. ये मैं हर बार यूज़ करती हूँ before shaving my face, and it is okay. Open it like this, and it has actually hit the bottom, you guys. It's empty only. Like it's a very good, you know, soothing bamboo gel. You know, looks like this. It looks like aloe vera gel basically. तो अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है, if you can get this, just get this. And अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है, then you can use any, you know, unflavored aloe vera gel also. But yeah, unflavored one, the ones that are natural and you know, scent free and odorless, that one will work for you. So I generally take this and I put it on my entire face like this. Put it like this. It's tacky and it's a soothing gel by the way. तो अगर आपको सनबर्न वगैरह भी हो गया है तो उसके बाद भी आप ये लगा सकते हो. इट्स लाइफ सेविंग प्रोडक्ट. और मैंने ये डिस्कवर किया था 4 years back when I went to Goa and I got all sunburned, you know. बट इसने इतना अच्छा काम किया, सो सूदिंग. मैं आती थी बीच पे से और इसको लगा के बस बैठ जाती थी फ़ैन चला के, एंड यूज्ड टू बी सो चिली, सो गुड. सो इसके अलावा जो काम आपका एलोवेरा जेल करेगा वो ये सब काम कर सकता है. वेरी माइल्डली सेंटेड, नॉट वेरी सेंटेड बट वेरी माइल्ड सेंट इज देयर, सो इट्स वेरी गुड. इट फील्स सो गुड ऑन स्किन. ओके, सो नाउ दैट आई हैव अप्लाइड इट, पूरी तरह से इसको सोक इन नहीं करना है, नहीं तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं इसको लगाने का. ये लग गया है. Now I'll take my razor. So I have this razor with me, this one. It's like any face razor. I got it from a pharmacy, and I change my razors every month now. This is very important, and whenever I use these babies, I actually clean them with Dettol or Savlon, whatever I have at home. इसको सैनिटाइज करके रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज इस पर बहुत ज़्यादा बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ हो जाएगा. अगर आप इसको साफ़ नहीं करोगे फिर उसके बाद लगातार शेव करते रहोगे तो आपकी स्किन, इट इज़ गोइंग टू ब्रेक आउट, इट्स गोइंग टू गिव द वर्स्ट स्किन एंड व्हाट नॉट. तो इसको क्लीन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. क्लीन इट बिफोर यू शेव एंड क्लीन इट आफ्टर यू शेव. ऐसे शेल्फ पे पड़ा उठा के भी आपको शेव नहीं करना है. ओके, सो नाउ दैट आई हैव दिस, लेके ऐसे एक एंगल बना के आई स्टार्ट शेविंग. सो सिंपल यार, मतलब एनीबडी कैन डू. ऐसे शेव करना है, नॉट लाइक इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन बट टूवर्ड्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ योर हेयर दैट यू हैव टू शेव. तो व्हाट आई जनरली डू, आई हैव हेयर हियर, इट्स लाइक वेरी टेक अ क्लोज लुक. आई हैव लेस हेयर बट ये ऐसे पीच फज को निकाल देता है दैट योर स्किन लुक्स सो क्लीन एंड सो रिफ्रेशिंग आफ्टर यू शेव योर फेस. No, I'm sorry to show you this gunk, but it's yuck. I mean, so bad, you guys. Okay, just wipe it off anywhere else. Clean now. Again, do the same thing. Can you see the difference? Literally, I mean, can you see this area? It लाइन बन के ही दिखने लग गया है. इट इज सो डिफरेंट आफ्टर शेविंग, यू गाइज. आई विल जस्ट डू लाइक दिस ऑन माई एंटायर चीक बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू रिमूव ऑल द पीच फज. अच्छा, अभी ये अपर लिप्स, आई डोंट शेव माई अपर लिप्स, यू गाइज. मतलब आई डू इट विद अ थ्रेड माई सेल्फ. आई मेक अ सिजर आउट ऑफ द थ्रेड and I thread my upper lips. I do not shave it, but just to show you guys, I will shave it today.
I actually don't like putting razor here on my area because I feel it's very sensitive and unnecessary. It will give me, you know, growth very fast, and I don't want to shave this area too much, so I use threads. But today I'll show you how to do that also.
So simply just take it down like this.
Bas itna hi. And here also.
And I'll do that for my other cheek as well. See here. Now if you want, you can remove this also, but I don't mind actually them being there, so I won't remove those hair.
I'll shave my face entirely like this. You see all those hair coming out? I do not have much hair on my face, but still it looks, I mean, so much. It's been a while also I have shaved now. I'll do it entirely on my face. To my chin.
And yeah, between my brows also. Now I don't get my brows done, like ever. मैंने कभी ना इनको thread करवाया है ना मैं इनको razor कराती हूँ, nothing. I just love my brows as they are and I do not do anything with them. So I'll just shave in between them so that it looks clean, you know. If I put bindis or whatever, it should be clean. This area should be clean. That's it. And then a little on the forehead also if you want. I do not generally do it on my forehead. I'll just show you. Avoid the eyebrow arch. You don't want to spoil your eyebrows, right? And done. Okay, so let's just keep this away. It grows, by the way, to see also. I'll just wipe off my face with this damp microfiber. I'll just wipe it off. I'll just quickly, you know, put cold water on my face and I'll just wash all of this off and I'll come back. Hanji, so I have washed my face just with cold plain water, whatever comes in the tap. That and just gently dab it. I'll take the water off. Now, a very important step that we generally don't do, and even I took a lot of years to learn कि ये step बहुत ज़रूरी है. After shaving your hands, your legs, bikini area, whatever, this step is really very important. I'll show you what. I'm going to use a calming antioxidant toner now after shaving. Now this is very important if you want to avoid those rashes. This one is the plum, chamomile and white tea calming antioxidant toner, and it is so good. I'm actually kind of empty on this one, but okay, whatever is left I'll take. I'll just take 2-3 drops and I'll just pat it on my face. Just pat it. It will give you a soothing effect instantly, and whatever chances of razor burns are there, you will not have any. This is what I've learned over the period of time I've been shaving my face, right? So definitely do not skip this step. It's very important. So yeah, it will get absorbed instantly. If you're under a fan, then और भी कम time लगेगा. I
haven't switched on the fan because मेरे बाल ऐसे उड़ रहे थे. Starting में देखा होगा आपने clip में. They're like flying everywhere, and AC I don't want to switch on here because I've been really ill और मेरे को बहुत cold है. I don't want to trigger it again, you know. वैसे इतनी अच्छी आवाज़ आ रही है. I don't want to take any more chances.
So yeah, so this toner has also gone in, and the skin already feels so good, like so clean and so tacky, so good. Now the final step, moisturizer. Take any moisturizer you have. This is my day-to-day Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer in peach variant. I got it only because I saw my mom using it, and she actually uses it every day. And I have a lot of other moisturizers also, but this one for daily use when I'm at home, it's a blessing, you guys. And plus it smells so good. It's like I want to eat this tub right now. It smells of actually peaches. It's so mild and so calming. You can sleep in this one. It is so good. That is why I use it at home whenever I am at home now. And it's not very greasy. It's good for my oily skin. It's good for all the girls out there, you know, who have a lot of oily skin like me. You can put this, and after 2-3 minutes, once it gets absorbed into your skin, it's nowhere to be seen, but it gives a very good hydration to your skin. So I highly recommend this one. Yeah, and done. Do you see? Like, it's so clean and so fresh. अभी इस पे मेकअप करूँगी, it will look very good मेरी स्किन पे. What do you think? So yeah, आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही था. How do you like my shaving routine, and if there are any additional steps that you follow, do comment down in the comment section below. If you have any queries, I'll love to answer all of them. And if you liked what you saw, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I'm still learning and I really want to make a good family on YouTube. Together we'll grow and we'll share a lot of stuff. So I'll see you guys. Bye.